Hi, this is Sachem Teen Services Librarian Miss Debra, and I'm going to introduce you to some simple yoga stretches that you could do on this Mindful Monday and any day. Yoga can help reduce stress and anxiety, give you an extra stretch, and give you that little boost of energy for any time of the day. I will introduce you to a few yoga stretches that I enjoy doing on a regular basis. Remember, yoga isn't just for the flexible, it's for the willing. Mountain pose. The mountain pose is the foundation of all standing poses. It is a great starting pose, resting pose, or a tool to get better posture. First, you stand with your toes touching the ground and heels slightly apart from each other on a yoga mat or a firm surface. Lift and spread your toes and lay them softly down on the floor. Adjust your feet and body slowly so that the sole of the feet covers the maximum ground. Rock back and forth and gradually come to a standstill in a balanced and good posture. Inhale and lift your arms straight above the head. Press the shoulder blades into the back and then widen them before releasing. Lift the top of your sternum upwards without pushing the ribs to the front. Keep your underchin parallel to the floor, throat soft, and tongue wide and flat on the floor of your mouth. Keep your eyes relaxed. Stay in this pose for 30 seconds to 1 minute and practice inhalation and exhalation gently. Warrior One. Warrior One is a pose that is in standard yoga pose that helps build focus, power, and stability. This foundational pose stretches the front side of the body and is great for building strength in the legs, core, and back. First, begin standing, then step your right foot forward about 4 feet. With your foot parallel and toes pointing to the top of the mat, bend your knee into a lunge. Keep your left leg straight behind you and turn your left heel in approximately 45 degrees. Raise your arms straight above your head, keeping your shoulders pressed down. Then, squeeze your shoulder blades together and downward and lift your chin to gaze at your hands overhead. Hold your pose and then repeat on the left side. Warrior Two. Warrior Two is a standing yoga pose that enhances strength, stability, and concentration. From standing or mountain pose, take a big step back with your left legs, toes pointed slightly in. Press the 4 corners of your feet down and firm your legs up. As you inhale, raise your arms parallel to the floor, keeping your shoulders down and your neck long. As you exhale, bend your right knee, keeping your knee over your ankle. If needed, slightly adjust the position of your feet and legs to first find stability in the pose. Roll the top of your thigh down towards the floor on the right. Press down through your big toe to balance that action. Press the top of your left thigh back and ground the outside of your left foot into the floor. Draw your lower abdomen in and up and lengthen your spine. Extend through your collarbone and fingertips. Bring your chin slightly in and back to align your neck with your spine. Look over your right hand. Stay in this pose for 5 breaths. To come out of the pose, press into your feet and straighten your legs as you inhale. Switch the orientation of your feet and repeat that on the other side. Tree pose. The tree pose is great for posture and balance. Once again, come to stand in mountain pose. Take a moment to feel both your feet root into the floor with your weight distributed equally on all 4 corners of each foot. Begin to shift your weight into your right foot, lifting your left foot off the floor. Keep your right leg straight, but don't lock the knee. Bend your left knee and bring the sole of your left foot high onto your inner right thigh. Press your foot into your thigh and your thigh back into your foot with equal pressure. This will help you keep both hips squared toward the front so your right hip doesn't jut out. Focus your gaze on something that doesn't move to help you keep your balance. Take 5 to 10 breaths, then lower your left foot to the floor and do the other side. Thanks for joining me today. There are lots of other yoga poses that you can explore. Congratulations, you have completed another Mindful Monday. Have a beautiful day.